For example 2, we're doing more of the same. We're going to write the following expressions as a sine or cosine of an angle. So look at A. It says sine, cosine, plus cosine sine. Well, we know that that is going to be sine of alpha plus beta. So we know for this formula it's going to be sine, alpha is our first angle, so 22 degrees, plus beta, which is our second angle, so 13 degrees. We can add those together. What's 22 plus 13? You say 35 degrees. Okay, is 35 degrees on our unit circle? No? So let's just leave this as that. Okay, so we're going to go until, if it's on our unit circle, we need to find it. If not, we can stop there unless it tells us to round it, okay? Alright, let's look at B here. It says cosine of pi over 3, cosine of pi over 4, plus sine of pi over 3, sine of pi over 4. So look for your pattern. Cosine, cosine, plus sine, sine. This is my difference of cosines. So you know this is going to be cosine. Alpha is the first angle, so pi over 3. Whoops, didn't mean to close my parenthesis. Minus beta, which is my second angle, so it's pi over 4. Now, if you need to change them to degrees, you can, but remember, if it's not on your unit circle, you need to change it back then to radians, because it gave it to us in radians. Our answer needs to be in radians. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a common denominator here. So I'm going to multiply by the other one's denominator. So this is going to become 4 pi over 12 minus, and I'll multiply the second one by the 3. So this becomes 3 pi over 12. And we get cosine. 4 pi minus 3 pi is pi over 12, which is not on my unit circle. So there is my solution.